A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. I know say all of we have the problem, yeah. The things them we want to do, I know them something they we do. And the things them we don't want to do, and that we do. Aye, sir. Even Paul did have the problem there. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So. Today, I'm going to read from Paul letter to the Romans, chapter 7, from verse 7 to verse 25. So then, what we can say? Only think we can say the law a sin? Only think we can say it wrong? No, nothing can go so. If I never for the law, I wouldn't even know what sin be. I wouldn't know what it means for ready eye. If the law never say, oh no, for ready eye. Sake of the law, sin get a chance to stir up all kind of sitting in me. It make me want to do all of the sitting them when me not to do. If no law never there, sin wouldn't have no power. When me never know about the law, me did alive. But when me come to know what the law say, sin raise up in me and make me well want to do the sitting them when me not to do. And that make me dead. So me did find say the same law where God sent, where did fi cause me fi live, it cause me fi dead. Sake of the law, sin get a chance fi trick me, and it use the law fi kill me. So then the law come from God. Every one of the rule them come from God. And all of the rule them good, cause them help people and them teach people what right. So when you think me I say the law were good, say it cause me for dead? No, sir. Nothing can go so. A sin kill me. And sin show me who him really be when he take the law, something we good, and use it to kill me. So the law, it help with you really see how terrible sin be. No. We know the law come from God and that it have to do with spirit. But me are just one man. I come in like one slave. Me are one slave and sin am a master. Me have to do what it say. Me don't understand the sitting them when me I do. Because me not do the sitting them when I want to do. Instead of that, me I do the sitting them when me eat. And if me I do the sitting them when me no want to do, that a show, say me I say, yes, the law right. So I don't really me, I do the insomnia, but I the sin where I live in me, I do it. Me know say nothing good no day in me. My body now gonna make me do it right. Cause me want to do what good, but me can't do it. The good sitting them when me want to do, me not do them. But the wicked sitting them when me not want to do, and that me I do. So if me I do the sitting them when me not want to do, I know me really I do them. And the sin where I live in me, I do it. So me find say this hour happen in my life. When me want to do it right, Me can't only choose for do what wicked. In my heart, I'm happy about the law we come from God. But for my body, I follow one different law. And the law there, I go against the law we in my head. For my body, I follow sin law. And it have me like prisoner. My body do everything where it say. Me sorry, me I want sorry case for true. Oh, I go save me from the body where kill me. Me thank God, because him will save me. And him use with Lord Jesus Christ. We do it. So this are how things stay with me. In my head, me I want slave. And God law, I'm a master. I want to follow everything where it say. But my body, I like sin, I feel it master. And it I follow everything where sin said for do. Oh God, what this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.